Good morning, guys. This is vlog 48. This is Phon-Er Gold dropping by to show you what I got today for you guys. We are repairing an iPhone 6 battery at a cool local area in Glendale, California, which is a few miles from my place. It was a short ride, and we just got here, and we're gonna just repair the battery, swap it. It just said that the battery just died from 90 to 20. Meaning it drops from 90% to 20%, which means that the battery is officially gone, so it needs to be replaced ASAP. So we're gonna do that right now. So you're coming with me, so stay tuned and I'll show you around of how it goes down. Peace. See you soon.
Good. Everybody look at Hollywood, doing it good. Everybody look at Hollywood, doing it good. Everybody look at, everybody look at, everybody look at, everybody look at, everybody look at Hollywood, doing it good. Everybody look at Hollywood, doing it good.
Hey guys, we just finished the iPhone 6 battery, and then he also had iPhone 5s that the ear speaker wasn't working and the front camera, so we also swapped that for him, and we did 2 jobs instead of 1, and it's pretty cool. A total of 3 parts that were changed. And I just left them, and I'm driving to my yesterday's customer who's having a software issue on his iPhone 7. I'm just gonna go and help him fix that for him, and do a restore and reset to the software, so it'll be all working and stuff. So that's about it, guys. That should conclude vlog 48. Thank you for watching. This is Phon-Er Gold. Thank you so much for your support and for your time and for your everything. Have a beautiful day, and have a great weekend as well, if it's a weekend right now for you guys. And we'll see you guys soon in vlog 49. Thank you so much for watching once again, and have a beautiful golden day. Ari out. Peace. Cut. That's a wrap.